this is freaky. I don't know why they did this, but there are literally creepy dolls absolutely everywhere. She either was pushed off by accident or maybe she was going down the rail. Nobody really knows for sure, but she fell all the way down there. She didn't die right away.
How you doing? Hello, viewers of Post-Town Elementary. I'm here with my buddy Ben. Hi. And BOOM!
Are you gonna like get up and move at some point while we're investigating tonight? Definitely hearing something move over here though. Hello? I feel like something was like pinching my neck. Is somebody pinching my neck? What was that?
Who here wants to kill me? What demon wants to kill me? Please tell me.
What the f?
I've never heard of it.
What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new haunted adventure. So we are out here in Middleton, Ohio, where we have Post-Town Elementary School. This place dates back to 1937. It actually closed in 2000 because it basically got replaced by another school just down the road from here, and much larger and obviously more technologically advanced school. At the time the place was closed down, sat abandoned pretty much or vacant for at least about 6 years until a gentleman and his family actually purchased the school for historical purposes, just to obviously restore it. They do live here. So originally they did try to turn it into a daycare, but unfortunately that did not work out. However, after living here for such a long period of time, Daryl, the owner, actually realized that something paranormal was actually happening inside of the school. He wasn't 100% sure. He actually invited in some local paranormal investigators, and they basically confirmed that the school is actually haunted for several different reasons. There was actually 2 train crashes pretty much at the back of the school. There's like a train track, an active one still to this day. There was 2 train crashes, both that just by chance happened on the exact date, 1 or 2 years apart from each other. Not only that, there's actually history of a girl named Sarah who actually died inside of the church on one of the stairwells, which we will get into. She does haunt the school. Not only her, but several of the teachers from the past still haunt the school. The janitors and several other students. There is believed to be some children that actually roam the hallways and inside of the classrooms here and there. Little boys, little girls, all over the school. It's actually a very crazy place. I did not know what to expect. I've had this location kind of mapped out for a long period of time and said, you know what, when I end up in this area, we will actually come and film it for you guys. Well, we're here now. We had a crazy experience last night at Bobby Mackey's. Something really weird happened to Ben. He ended up passing out. I guess it was just a bit too much. Something obviously targeted him. It just wasn't a very good situation. So our focus here is primarily investigating the school, of course. Obviously, we also have to keep an eye on Ben, just make sure nothing happens to him or to any of us for that matter. After last night, it was a bit much. Ben was even complaining pretty much starting again this morning after he went to sleep. He said he didn't even sleep that much. He was just not feeling well. We obviously got to keep an eye on him. So they did give us a little bit of a walkthrough throughout the place, so we do have some key spots that we want to look out for. Some really crazy stories, things that I really wasn't expecting. We got shadow people, malevolent spirits, and obviously we got some good spirits as well. So let's head on inside, smash the like button of course, and let's get the adventure started.
Is detecting a face right next to yours, right behind yours.
Really? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Post-Town Elementary School. So Yasko and Ben decided to go off on their own for a little bit, just to get a little bit of a feel of the location here. We are in the spooky boiler room. The guides of the paranormal group here. Actually gave us a ton of information. We are in for one heck of a treat, like I've already mentioned. And this is just kind of like a meeting room they kind of set up here, which is pretty cool. But let me tell you, there's some very interesting spots all around the school itself. A lot of it's still really original, in good shape. Now I just gotta kind of remember exactly where I'm going. I wonder if these are the original trophies. What was that? I don't know if that was them, but I could have sworn I heard somebody whistle. Oh my, let's see. Yeah, I think these are actually from here. Maybe. Amusement leagues, they're kind of hard to read. What the heck is going on? This is just one of the washrooms. Nothing crazy. So I didn't bring any of my equipment as of yet. Just kind of roaming around, exploring the place so you guys can get familiar with it. Keep your eyes and ears open. This place has a lot of spooky haunted history that they've told us. This is actually the art room. Look at that. We got creepy photos everywhere. What is going on down there? Another washroom. Oh, okay, they're down there in the gym. Let's see what they're doing. Oh, hi. What is going on right now? Is this what we come to haunted schools for? To play basketball? Oh my god. Let's go, show us your skills. Come on, come on. Oh. Excuses. Nope. Nope, stick to soccer, boy.
Well, this is one way of aggravating ghosts or whatever, right?
Huh?
This is one way to get ghosts out.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. Spirits. You wanna come play with us?
Play with us. 3v3. Let's go. Come on, guys.
3v3. Yeah. Are you just gonna miss every time? I mean, not that I could do any better, but because I definitely can't. Yeah, I know. Eerily quiet. Alright, I'm gonna continue my explore. I'll see you guys later.
Good luck.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna try and separate from them for the time being. We'll definitely come back down here in a little bit. Let's see, which way should we go? So apparently this is the original front entrance to the school here, which is cool. So they do say, when you leave, you believe. They were actually telling us a lot of stories about a lot of people who were skeptics that came into this place, and then they would call them oh shit moments. And let me tell you, after those moments, they definitely believed after that. So we're hoping that we're going to get some of those moments as well. Okay, this is a really cool hallway. All the murals. Wow. This is just some storage room. It used to be a washroom, but they use it for storage now. This, what was this? Oh, this was like the teacher's room, like the break room back in the day. For a second I thought I saw something out of the corner of my eye, but it was just like those blankets. Very cool. The owner actually built this for his kids here, so that's not original to the school. I'm not sure which furniture in here would have actually been original or not. Probably none of it. They probably all all has been added. But these murals, as you can see, are definitely original to the school, which is cool. It is definitely a freezing cold night. So we do have one classroom here, which is pretty cool. There are several classrooms obviously throughout the building, but this hallway in particular only really has one. I'm trying to remember exactly where all the areas that we went. This area was cool. This was like the principal's office. Look at that. That apparently is original. It's even got some of the old teachers' names on them. Look at that. Neat. Very, very neat. So apparently this was the VP's room, and then this was the principal's office. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure that's what they said. Not quite sure why the principal's office would have been smaller, but apparently that's what it was. So based on some of the information that they've given us, obviously the hosts here spent a lot of time in the school, and they do say that there's a lot of obviously friendly ghosts or spirits, but there are some that are obviously malevolent. They don't know where they came from. It's a bit of a mystery, and that's kind of why we're here to figure out. There is definitely something evil that is lingering throughout the school, which may or may not have exposed itself later on. They said that they've owned the place since 2006. They've been running it as a haunted location for about 12 years now, and in the majority of those 12 years, at least previously, they didn't really have too many evil interactions, so to say. But all of a sudden, within the last couple of years, they said things have been getting worse and worse and worse. Experiences where one of the host's wives actually heard something growl at them. Somebody was actually pulled out of bed, which would have been the owner. And it's just crazy. Very, very weird experiences that cannot be explained. And I'm hoping to see maybe what it is that is haunting this place, other than, you know, students and people that were obviously involved in instances around the area as well. There was actually 2 train crashes towards the back of the school. The train tracks there are actually still active to this day, but apparently those 2 train accidents both happened on the exact same day, I believe a year or 2 apart from each other. In the back area, the grounds here were actually used as a triage before the school was even built. So that could be one reason as to why this place is so haunted, but obviously there are other reasons. There are other spirits, for example a girl, which we will get to, who actually didn't die in the building, but she was very badly injured by an incident, and she currently haunts the school itself. We will get to that later, but in the meanwhile, we're just going to keep exploring. I'm gonna scare the crap out of them.
I'm here with my buddy Ben, and
Oh my god, that was the greatest reaction ever. Oh my god.
And
Love it.
I'm dead now. I'm dead. You killed me.
Oh my god.
Oh,
That was
I
too
can't believe
good.
you've done this.
I did it. I did it. Hey!
Take it.
jeez,
Oh my
I'm
god.
trying to fire up on spirit box.
It's okay, that'll be a good scene for your video. Oh my god. Whew, so I got him. So this is actually what's known as Sarah's stairwell. People have said to have seen her, several people actually. Apparently what had happened was she was, I guess kids who were here horse playing, and she either was pushed off by accident or maybe she was going down the rail. Nobody really knows for sure, but she fell all the way down there. She didn't die right away. She was injured in the hospital for a couple of days, and then she passed away due to complications. And that's why Sarah still haunts Posttown Elementary School. This area, oh my god, that scared the crap out of me. I literally forgot that was there. So there was an MMA team, apparently, who was working out here. And they were renting this room for quite some time and just spontaneously decided to no longer do it. Oh, this is kind of strange. So the thing about the school, yeah, that is kind of strange, because the thing about the school is I noticed the guys were going around making sure all the lockers were closed, just to see if they can maybe catch one open here and there. Is there somebody in here that opened up that locker? Do you want to do it again? Can you open the locker for me? Huh, that's very interesting. Oh man, what is this thing? It looks like some sort of almost makeshift robot looking thing. I think this might be one of the other classrooms. Yep. I'm trying to remember specifically what the story was about this room. But apparently this whole upper floor here has quite a few hauntings. Some that are very specific, some very crazy experiences. Oh man, alright. Here we have what's known as the doll room. It's weird how it's so much warmer in here. Oh my god, that one standing against that wall scared the crap out of me. This is freaky. I don't know why they did this, but there are literally creepy dolls absolutely everywhere. Wow. Some have actually suggested that this one in particular, for some odd reason, is actually a haunted doll. Not really sure why. Excuse me, young lady, but are you haunted? Are you gonna like get up and move at some point while we're investigating tonight? So this used to actually be the music room from what they told us, and then down there used to be the library. This was the library, and there was also an Overflow Library. I'm just trying to find it, which is right there. Whew. This hallway is creepy as all hell. This is the Overflow Library. Pretty cool. What the heck is that noise? I'm like filming cinematics in here. I'm hearing some noise. Jazz? Oh man. I'm not going to be surprised if they try and scare me at some point tonight. Definitely hearing something move over here though. Hello? Honestly, I don't think anybody's up here with me. So the host and the owner are all actually out of the school right now, waiting outside so that way they don't interfere with our investigation. So it's literally just us three in the building. I'm like 95% sure the guys are still downstairs. Alright guys, so I am still just kind of exploring the building. We do still have some other parts that I really want to show you guys just so we can get familiar. I am already starting to hear a few noises here and there. It is still a little bit early, so as we do go throughout the building, throughout the night, we are here. We have pretty much the building until 7 o'clock in the morning. I don't think we're going to stay the whole time, just because we do have a busy day tomorrow as well. We got a lot of other stuff that we need to take care of and do while we're on this road trip right now. Okay, so those are just cars outside. You're going to hear cars here throughout the building periodically once in a while. Oh, that's weird. That felt like something was like pinching my neck. Is somebody pinching my neck? What the hell was that? I don't know if that's the guys, maybe just opening or closing a door, but okay. But yeah, I am right now just kind of roaming throughout the building. No electronics, no tools. Just basically me, the camera, and just going to continue on this exploration, relatively raw, I guess you can say, and just see if we can naturally capture anything crazy. A lot of people capture a lot of things moving. There's a lot of poltergeist activity in here, so that's what I'm really hoping to capture. If we don't, that's fine too, but I do know that that's going to be really exciting, so let's carry on. Alright guys, we are continuing on here into the former library. Now it's just got a bunch of other explorers and paranormal investigators t-shirts. Oh my god, that doll is like so creepy. The look in its eyes just startled me. I feel like I keep hearing something in this hallway. Let's see what's in here. This just looks like would have been a storage room. This was a washroom, of course. Nothing too spectacular about that. Trying to figure out exactly where to go. Is that locked? Yes, it is. Okay, so much for that room. There is this. This is a real taxidermied dog. Wow. That would startle somebody if they weren't expecting it. This is actually kind of cool. So they filmed a movie here recently, and they designed this entire room as if it was like a patient's room in an asylum. Check that out. It's going to be a pretty big movie. I don't remember the exact name. Oh, I think it was called Bones and All. So that would have been where the patient would have slept. That's pretty cool. I have to say, they actually did a pretty good job. This is your last chance to run. Oh yeah. Would you guys like to have a little tea party?
Absolutely.
Yes?
As long as you bring some of the dolls over. Yo, that'd be wild. Let's set up a tea party.
Tea party?
Watch the dolls out.
Yeah!
See if we can get the ghosts to communicate to the
Oh
tea party.
man, that would be so dope.
Oh yes.
Oh man. Oh! You're killing her! You're killing her! Why are you so abusive?
I'm rough with the ladies.
Jeez.
Oh my god.
Fix her dress.
Yeah. Come on, you gotta make her decent at least.
Come on now. Can we like that? Oh wow, the way the head moves is so freaking weird.
It is.
Alright, feels so weighted. Yeah. A little weird.
Okay, madam, here is your tea, which was like almost stuck to the table. There you go.
I'll sit right next to her. The one that's to come over. I'm gonna bring over the one that blinks at me, okay? Is there one that blinks at me?
Oh, I got one. It's over here. Oh no! Her head came off. Oops. You got one? Okay. You're just gonna have to stay here because that's not gonna stay. So Ben found another little lady to join us for our tea party. Oh my god, those eyes. Would you like a photo with her?
I think so.
Here is your tea, madam. Please enjoy.
What's up, everybody? So right now we're in the most haunted school in America, and I have this very haunted doll right next to me.
Can you tell us your name? Why are you laughing?
There you go.
All right, Ben, pull up a chair, sit on the floor.
Absolutely.
Come join us.
Ready when you are?
Alrighty. Well, everybody, thank you for coming to the tea party.
Absolutely. Oh, thank you very much.
Ben?
We're just gonna share with Yasko. This is for you.
Thank you.
A little bit in there, please.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Excellent. Excellent. Cheers. Oh yeah, pinkies out. Pinkies out.
Oh, right.
Pinkies out.
I don't even, it's so small to pick these out.
I know it's so awkward.
So the story behind this doll right here is that people feel a very, it's hard to explain, but they feel like a sexual tension with this doll. They even explained it earlier. Someone came in here and their first thing was to come into here. It's like they were drawn to the doll. They picked up the doll and started brushing its hair.
Yeah.
And they were like, oh, you're so beautiful.
Yeah.
Something like that.
A little weird.
Yeah, really weird. I don't feel that.
No.
I mean, I feel like she's staring into my soul right now, but that's the only vibe I'm getting.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Very interesting. Then, of course, we have our friends over here.
Yes.
We're gonna name this one Vanessa.
Vanessa. Okay. Hi, Vanessa.
You could name that one if you'd like.
Cleo.
Cleo?
Cleo.
Alright, so we got Vanessa, Cleo. We don't know her name.
She has a name, we just don't know it. So I'm not going to try to call her by something else to piss her off. But,
what if we use the necrophonic to try and find out?
I like the way you think. It's nothing like some necrophonic and tea, you know what I mean?
Oh, and don't forget lovely Joe right here.
Yes.
Kind of hiding in the closet a little bit, but...
Alright, here we go. Let's all introduce ourselves, starting with Angelo.
Hello, my name is Angelo. What is your name?
Remember what you said earlier. If she's not attracted to you, she won't talk. So Ben, you try.
Alright. Hey, what's your name? She's not into me.
I like
Dave.
brunettes. What's your name?
What was that?
What's your name? Maybe she's not into any of us.
No, I guess not. Did you just say leave the room?
It said it like twice.
Yeah, it sounded like that's what it said.
No! You leave the room.
We're having a tea party. How
Yeah,
dare
come
you
on.
tell us to leave the room? Who wants us to leave the room?
She need help with it?
I already.
You can give her something good. We're having fun here. If you don't want to have fun with us, that's fine, but...
Do you want some more tea?
Yeah.
It's a little sticky.
Do you want some more tea?
Do you not like having tea parties? I really hate the way she's staring at
Yo,
me.
every time I look over, it's like the creepiest thing ever.
Right?
No offense.
Especially because her like direction is she's facing right at me. Can you say any of our names? How are you staring at me like that?
He's trying to make her uncomfortable until she talks.
Talk to me.
Is this about to get sexual?
He's giving her a trust stare.
I'm not feeling it.
No?
She's not my type.
No sexual gone wrong?
No, she's not my type, I guess. I don't know. The guy who came here earlier must have been a
Yeah. Maybe he was like really into dolls. Oh yes. I guess he was really into dolls.
Were you into him?
It's probably get juicy, the drama.
This is tea. But don't. Sorry. Leave. Okay.
Don't.
It's like there's two spirits fighting over like if they want us to leave or not.
Yeah.
I've heard don't leave the room, leave the.
That was really clear. I don't know what that was.
What were the...
I don't want to replay that in a second.
Did you just say Ben?
I 100% heard about it.
What is this? How about we're gonna put you right up here. Sit on my lap. I read it.
Is he Ben again?
I think so. Ben! I literally just said it again!
I think she likes it.
Yeah, I think
Again.
she likes you.
Again.
Hi. I am flattered. Truly. Can you tell me about yourself?
How old are you?
How old are you?
9?
9? Okay, we can, no.
Nope.
See you later.
Real quick. Yeah. You're gonna play.
But I'm flattered. I appreciate your braveness. Okay, I appreciate your braveness. I wish you didn't point it right at me. I know. I know she likes me. Okay.
Now she slowly turns her head. And then...
Yes.
Do you have a crush on Ben?
Yeah! Like yelled it out.
Excitedly.
Yeah, very excitedly. That's odd.
You
see something? Chaz,
so,
did you see something?
Oh.
You look like you were like staring down that hallway.
Something grabbed my attention down there. I just don't know what I saw. Just gonna assume it was nothing. Alright, well, I'm gonna end this session right now. If there's any last words you want to say to Ben before he leaves forever and ever, here's your chance.
It did say dear.
Dad?
I heard that.
dad or dad?
Well, dead. I heard dead.
Earlier though, when we were downstairs, there was a demon. It said demon 8 times. in 5 minutes.
Really?
And I asked, "What do you want to do with Ben?" He said, "Kill him." Loudest voice, "Kill him."
Maybe she can tell us who that was.
Okay.
Because she likes me, right?
Go ahead, Ben. You ask.
Can you tell me what demon wants to kill me here?
No one wants to talk now. Are you guys scared of the demon? Yeah.
What?
Don't be scared. Say the demon's name for us.
Is
Is who?
Leave? Who here wants to kill me? What demon wants to kill me? Please tell me.
What the?
I've never heard it.
Okay, we're gonna have to replay that. That was a full phrase. That was in a full sentence.
Yeah.
But it was
One
like
voice.
almost kind of was like whispering.
What?
So creepy.
Maybe they're trying to whisper because they don't want the demon to hear.
Maybe. Oh, it's cold here.
The demon's not here. You can trust us. Who is trying to hurt Ben? I don't know. I'm not really getting the
Yeah,
clues. It's almost like they're scared to say the name.
Yeah.
Are you afraid of the demon? Pretty much. Kind of felt like that's what it said.
A little.
Demon.
Is the demon here with us right now?
Is the demon downstairs in the basement still?
Did you guys have anything happen down there? Other than let's say the demon 8 times in a row?
It said it wanted to kill me.
So I said I wanted to kill him. That was weird. After that, it was kind of chill. I'll ask him. Why do you want to kill my friend Ben? He's young. His soul.
Demon.
How about you ask?
Demon, why do you want to kill me?
What is it saying?
It's only a different language.
It's talking to you. It sounds like a Latin. Like a...
Yeah, definitely.
douchebag. Might be talking about me. I don't know. I kind of am.
Do you think Yasko's a douchebag? Yes or no? Is Yasko a douchebag?
What?
Who in this room is a douchebag?
Someone here has to be a douchebag.
Someone here's a douchebag.
If they're saying somebody's a douchebag, somebody's 100% a douchebag. Maybe the doll's a douchebag. I don't know.
I like the doll.
The doll likes you too.
I know, not like that. I like her as a friend. She's pretty cool.
I bet.
Her eyes are a little intense though.
Those are the most realistic eyes I've ever seen.
Really not, bro.
Ben. Just trying to get your attention and then talk to him.
Why does this demon want to kill me?
Did you just say Sarah? What was the name of the spirit that fell from the stairs?
Sarah.
I have a hypothesis right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so we keep asking who this demon is, right?
Mm-hmm.
We asked who's with us. It said Sarah here. It said Sarah downstairs as well when we did it, by the way. Sarah, the rumor is that she fell, the truth is she fell from the top of the stairs all the way to the bottom. Three flights.
Yeah.
And she didn't die on the spot. She died 2 days later due to complications. So, like, what if?
It's the second time I've heard that.
Am I getting close to the truth? What if the demon pushed Sarah?
That was outside in the hall?
What?
That sound, did you hear that?
Let me see if I'm right.
For like a second, I thought I heard like multiple voices.
Okay, it's really weird,
Yeah.
but for a second, it keeps on detecting See that? You know how see the detection? It keeps on going over here and holding for a sec, and then goes back over here.
It's detecting a face right next to yours, right behind yours.
Really?
I don't see anything though.
Yes,
See it do it?
It's doing it. It's detecting a face right behind yours.
Is there somebody here with us right now? Were you the ones?
It's doing it right now. It's doing it right now.
Were you the ones making the voices in the hallway?
I heard yes though.
I heard yes.
Who is standing right behind Angelo right now? Me.
I suddenly just got chills.
Who is me? Is that Sarah? Sarah, are you behind Angelo right now?
Have you come to say hello?
It's so clear, it's crazy. Yes, yes, yes. Sarah, are you angry about what happened to you here?
Definitely getting the feeling like there's something here right now. If you're here, can you close a door or something? Move something in that hallway?
It's still trying to pick up another face.
Really?
There's something right in front of you, bro. There's a spirit or something.
It's like to his like where the exit sign is from my angle here.
Yeah. Like pretty much right above me?
You're right about it. It's like staring down at you almost.
Okay, that's kind of creepy.
Who's standing in front of Angelo right now?
Getting like a cramp in my side. What the fuck?
You okay?
I think so. It feels really fucking weird though, like right here. That is like so creepy. What's weird is how it's like now she's kind of looking as if something's in the hallway. See that?
What's up?
What? Did you see something?
There's no one in there over there, is there?
No.
You sure?
Dude, we're literally the only 3 people in this building right now. Everyone else has left.
I don't know.
Hello, is there somebody over there?
So, okay, Ben,
Yeah.
you see how when Angelo moves his camera,
Yeah.
the shadow moves from like how much you could see in the room?
Yeah.
At one point when he did that, there was just like the outline of like a shoulder and arm.
Did you just hear that?
No.
There was like a full-on like footstep right in that room.
I'll tell you that.
As you were talking, I literally heard it.
How about this? Who is in that room right now?
Say Jazz. Yo, what's your name?
Who's in that room right now?
Come on, give us a name.
Sid?
John? I heard John.
I heard Sid before that, but
Who's Sid or John?
yeah.
What the hell's wrong with you? What are you doing?
What? What are you doing?
Just laying down for a sec.
You feeling sick again? Yo, Jess.
Jazz.
I'm good, I swear to God, I'm good. I just can't gather myself. Don't be scared.
We should probably take a break soon. Just saying.
Yeah. We can go to the heat if you want to take a break.
Yeah.
He's here.
Who's here?
Who's here?
Mary.
Who's Mary?
Mary, was that you in that room over there?
Oh my god. The sound of you moving that
Me.
chair just scared the shit out of me. Who's me?
Mary. Mary is here with us right now.
It's the same voice too.
I heard Sid again.
Mary, come sit with us at this table.
Mary, Sid, and John, we have 3 chairs here for you.
Here, I'll make space for you. We'll move Vanessa out of the way for now. There you go.
Okay.
Jesus.
So you don't want them like you moving that, I feel like.
Maybe not. I have a light here. If you can maybe turn it off for us.
That was weird.
Weird.
Yeah.
They really don't like us here right now. Alright, we're gonna leave if you don't want to give us answers.
Mary? Who is talking? You just asked.
I'm talking.
Kill?
Who do you want to kill? Blood? Blood? Or what?
Is it? It sounds like blood to me.
Yeah.
Jazz, you talking about you?
Is there anyone over here?
Alright, we're gonna be back, okay? We're gonna go take a little break and we'll be right back.
I'm gonna go eat the rest of my Chipotle and return.
Okay, holy
Be right back. Oh, I heard
Did she just fall apart? Oh no. Something fell, yeah.
Sweetie,
Oh boy.
No. Oh.
Look at the massacre of the boy.
You killed her!
Oh wait, it looks like they had a repair this before.
I'll take it.
Oh boy.
Take it.
Oh, this isn't good. This isn't good. Not good at all.
You just broke the haunted doll. She's gonna be so mad. It's okay. We'll come
Why
back.
did your arm fall off?
So we did a little bit of surgery, and Ben managed to repair her.
Oh my god, her eyes. Oh my god, her eyes. Oh, that scared the shit out of me.
Oh, they roll back in her head.
Yeah,
bro.
they move.
What the?
That's so creepy.
Oh my
Oh
god.
man.
Okay. I'm gonna go
All
place her
right.
down.
We've placed her in the chair, and we're gonna monitor, make sure she hasn't moved at all when we come back later on.
Absolutely.
All right.
Stay right there.
Let's go warm up for a little bit.